For your reading workbook this week, you will do all of your assignments in here. Hopefully you are getting used to our routine at this point. Here is all your weekly assignments. For Monday, you're going to preview the cover of the story. You're going to watch the video to go over the definitions, or you can just read the definitions on your own, your choice. Then you have a vocabulary activity to do where you are going to rewrite the sentence. So looking at the yellow, bolded, underlined group of words, you are going to replace it with one of the definitions up top. And you can see in the example that hallucinations is already read, so I can already cross that one off. You have 3 to do on this side and 4 to do on this slide. If you need me to read the sentences to you, there are speech bubbles on both of the slides that you can play to have those read. Then you are going to make a prediction. Again, if you need the slide read, you can click here. You're making your prediction based on the cover of the story, the definitions, and the headings that are here. I think the story will be about. Then, if you'd like, I've added something in extra for you guys this week. After each of the days, there is a video of me going through and doing the activities with you. So if you need help or you aren't sure exactly what to do, make sure you're watching the review activities because I actually go through and do the activities with you. On Tuesday, you're going to listen to the story. You can open it on Storyworks to follow it along. And if you get there, it's going to ask you to type in this password, or you can just listen to the story here. After you've listened to the story, you are going to explore some text features. You can listen to the speech bubble to have this explained a little bit to you, but you're answering question 1, 2, and 3 based on those text features. Again, if you need help with that activity, I go over it with you here, so make sure you watch that video. On Wednesdays, you're going to begin drawing conclusions about the story. So a conclusion is coming to an understanding about something after thinking about all the information you are given. So you're going to draw conclusions on the giant squid by answering these questions or finishing these statements. If you need help, you can listen to the speech bubble here, and I will read these to you. Then you're going to draw conclusions by choosing one of the 4 creatures at the bottom. These are all mythical creatures. So you're going to type in here, you choose. So which one do you choose? And again, you're going to answer the same statements as before. If you need help with that, again, you may watch this video to have me do the questions with you. Finally, on Thursday, you have a close reading question activity. You are going to think about what people have discovered when searching for giant squid, Bigfoot, mermaids, or other creatures, and what can you conclude about why it's important to study things we don't understand. You can go ahead and complete the sentences here. If you need the directions read to you here. If you need additional help, you can click on this and it will go into a close reading question, or you can listen to me do the close read question for you here, and I'll do it right along with you and give you some ideas of how to fill that out. Try not to use exactly the sentences that I'm using, but explaining in your own words when you do this activity. Finally, on Friday, you have your quiz. If I were you, I would pull up this story and have it in a PDF on the side, so I have the story to refer to. And then you can click here to go to your quiz, and it will take you to the Google form where you can, again, have the quiz read to you. And when you're finished, click submit, and make sure to turn in your document into Google Classroom when you're finished so that I can look over it. If you would like, there's also an optional reading challenge. If you click here, it will go over the video where you can listen to the explanation of this reading challenge if you choose.